Today's video is part 2 of our previous video, which was 6 high protein recipes for healthy meal prepping. This prepping is tailored towards getting out of the kitchen fast while making dinner for those very busy people out there, which is, let's face it, most of us nowadays. If you guys are interested in seeing a work/lunch meal prep video, give this video a big old thumbs up or let me know down below in the comments, and I will definitely make that our next meal prepping video. So yeah, let's get into this meal prepping. Let's get veggie. I'm starting off the tofu tacos by chopping up some radishes. All of these recipes are fully customizable to your personal taste and preference. I'm chopping up some red cabbage and lettuce, which could also be prepped and stored, or you can buy a pre-chopped mix at your local supermarket. Toss both cabbage and lettuce into a bowl, add a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper to make it a nice little salad, and toss it together until mixed well. Next, we'll be adding some tofu crumble from the previous video over a heated corn tortilla. Add tomatoes, our salad mix, and sliced radish. And you just can't have tacos without some fresh lime juice. So sprinkle on some fresh lime juice onto those tacos and then pour on some of my tahini ranch sauce, which is also from the previous video. The link is down below in the description bar. I wanted to come in here really quickly before the second recipe and let you guys know about the free meal planner and updated essentials pantry list that I have created. If you are part of the mailing list, then yesterday you would have received that package in your email. If you're not yet a subscriber to our mailing list, the Veggierose mailing list, I will link it down below. It's literally veggierose.com, and you can go ahead and subscribe, put your email, and then you will receive automatically the free PDF that you can download, you can print, you can keep on your phone or your tablet, wherever you like. And it is a meal planner along with a updated, ultimate pantry essentials list. Anyways, let's get back into the video. Moving on to our lentil ranch burger. I love a good burger, so start off by chopping up some onions or using some pre-chopped onions for an even faster dinner. Add in quinoa and lentils, which we also made in the previous video. I'm telling you, if you haven't seen it, go and catch up. I'm also adding in some blended oats, which makes the patty gluten-free, but you can also use breadcrumbs. Add in the chopped onions, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, ground black pepper, and agua fava. That'll work as our binder. Mix this all up, and then using a potato masher, mash the mix up until it holds together when shaped into patties. Do not overmix this or your patties will turn out too mushy. Shape into patties and bake into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Time to assemble this burger. With some lettuce, some tempeh bacon, which I baked with the patties for extra crispiness, but they were already cooked from the previous video. Add tomato, and you can also spread on some of that delicious tahini ranch sauce, and your burger is ready to eat. And let me tell you, this is my favorite recipe of the 3. I love a good burger. Also, find the ingredients list for this recipe in the description box. And last but not least is this beautiful super protein bowl. Yes, not Super Bowl, super protein bowl
We'll start this one off with some massage kale, and that's quite literally what it is. Add a bit of oil and sprinkle some salt and massage the kale for 2 to 3 minutes or until wilted to your preference. This is my favorite way to eat kale. I'm adding a base of quinoa to our bowl, followed by some lentils. These two we also cooked in our previous video. I'm also adding in some tempeh bacon, which of course also in the previous video. Don't miss out on that video, guys. Don't miss out. Also some red cabbage, which has a little sprinkle of some lettuce, but that's okay because it's from the taco recipe. And then add in some of that tofu crumble because this is jam-packed with protein. We're also adding in some sweet potatoes, some baked sweet potatoes, and our massage kale. Sprinkle on some of those chopped radishes and also dollop in the center some hummus, which we also made in the previous video, and drizzle on some of that tahini ranch dressing. You could also replace the hummus with some avocado if you like.
And that is a few recipes that you can get done really quickly during the week, even when you're busy, because you have a couple of those other ingredients and recipes already completed. If you guys would like to see more videos like this or more meal prepping recipes, don't forget to let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And tag me on Instagram at Veggierose if you make this recipe or any of my recipes. I would love to see what you made, and I would love to know what you think about it. I will talk to you guys very soon. I love you all. Bye.